Himanshu sir, Rajesh sir, Srinivas sir, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am here to tell you a story which took place in the mid 1980s and 1990s. Friends, from you know that from 1990 onwards, when the VP Singh government was there, globalization started to take place. Many IT companies came to India, and India also began to get the mode of software engineering. It was at that time that a boy came from Punjab. He was under pressure to do well in life. Under the able guidance of his parents, he did well until the class 8. In class 9, he joined a coaching institute. It was very tough competition at that time. And he was preparing for one of the most coveted exams of India, that is IIT Indian Institute of Technology Joint Entrance Examination. Basically, when he came into that coaching institute, he felt the same like everyone used to feel. Very tough competition, morning tuning, books. He has to study, he has to compete. Even the best friends don't tell the answers. Everyday test, he was fed up of this one. Because the boy who came from his hometown overtook him within a short span of time. His parents kept on asking him the results. But he had hidden talent which he could not discover. Then the most disastrous thing came into his life. One day, he was reading copper sulfate CSO4.5H2O. If you know, it is one of the dangerous salt. He read that if you consume that salt, a pinch of salt can kill you. Finally, he decides to take off his life. Then he goes to a nearby shop, then asks for a packet of copper sulfate. He buys that shop and comes to his coaching class. And every day in front of his coaching center, there was a hound of dogs. They used to wander here and there, wait for food. They used to get food and sleep happily. While taking the packet and entering the gate of his coaching institution, he finds a dog, and he finds a very stranger beating very badly that dog. But still the dog was taking the shot very easily. And when the stranger left, it still again made its face back to normal and was waiting for food. Then that boy fortunately got a thought. If this dog, which gets backing every day by all the people, and when it gets just a lump of food, it feels happy and sleeps of the day, then I have worked so much in my life, then why should I end my life only because of this reason? He throws the packet away, goes inside, determines to do, understand, strategies himself for the future, and joins the Indian Institute of Technology in New Delhi. After completing 4 years, he joins the Indian Institute of Ahmedabad and becomes a banker in Hong Kong. And then you know the story, who it is. It is none other than the famous author Chetan Bhagat. When I read this story in one of the books, I was also feeling astonished because always they used to say that one person went from during the camp and used to say, behind every tremendous achievement there is unspectacular practice. So as the case of Chetan Bhagat. Today we know him, he has written 5 books, 5.1, The Mistakes of My Life, Love Story 2020. And all those books are famous. I am presently the editor of Times of India. What I want to say is that how much ever you fail in life, get ditched in life, that spark within you, that passion, which is always a gift given to you and you only by the God. Please don't let it kindle up. Because always I lead my life and I request you to lead your life not by seeing your mistakes, but by the good things which you do and the world which expects out of you. Always seek for that and improve it. And coming to the science institution, why I am telling this? Because when the science institution was on, I was